In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a MailerLite newsletter in Canva. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a small business owner trying to engage with your audience, crafting an eye-catching newsletter can make all the difference. And with Canva's intuitive platform, this task becomes not only feasible but also enjoyable. First, you'll want to open Canva and log into your account. Once you've done that, head over to the search bar at the top of the page. Type in newsletter, and you'll see a range of templates pop up. Choose one that aligns with the style and tone you want for your communication. Here's where you get creative. You can browse through countless designs ranging from minimalist to more visually striking selections. Make sure to consider your brand's aesthetic. This is key in maintaining a cohesive visual language across your communications. Once you've selected a template, it's time to make it your own. Start by changing the text to match your newsletter's content. Simply click on any text box, erase the placeholder text, and type in your news articles or headings. Include captivating headlines that will immediately grab your reader's attention. Keep your language clear and engaging, as you want to ensure your message is both informative and compelling. Next, let's talk about images. Visuals are crucial because they help break up text and keep readers engaged. Canva offers a vast library of free images, illustrations, and icons that you can use to emphasize your points. Just drag and drop them onto your template where needed. Alternatively, if you have your own images that better represent your brand or current promotions, you can upload those directly to Canva. Remember, consistency in font and color schemes will reinforce your brand identity. Change the font style, size, or color by highlighting the text and selecting the options that appear above. Make sure everything is readable and matches the overall style you're going for. Now let's add links to your newsletter. This is essential for directing your audience to your website, blog posts, or social media. You can hyperlink text by highlighting it, then finding the chain link icon in the top right toolbar. Insert your URL and press enter. Double-check that all links work correctly. Once you're satisfied with the design, it's time to download your newsletter. Click on the download button in the top right corner and choose the PDF format to ensure that your design maintains its integrity when shared. Finally, upload this PDF to MailerLite by logging in, navigating to the newsletters section, and starting a new campaign. Here, you'll be able to attach your newsletter, edit the subject line, and send it out to your subscribers. And there you have it. You've successfully created and prepared a MailerLite newsletter using Canva. With these tools, your newsletters will not only convey the right message but also look stunning doing it. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!